In this video, I will show you the exact strategy you can use to run low-ticket Facebook ads. You can use as little as 5,000 Naira daily ad budget to run your ads and get maximum sales. I will show you the exact strategy I used to sell a high-ticket product of 29.5 million Naira with less than 14,000 Naira ad budget. No gimmicks, no gatekeeping of any information. I will show you everything step by step. If you're interested in this information, just comment Facebook ad strategy at the comment section and I will show you everything step by step. This was the exact ad where I sold a car RX 350 worth 29.5 million for my client with less than 14,000 Naira ad spend. You see that we turn it off because that car has been sold. Okay, now let me show you the ad analytics. This particular ad here, let me drag this ruler down here, right? Okay, look at the ad here. We are looking at this one, this RX 350. Then this is the messages we got for this ad because I use message conversation. I will show you the exact strategy I use, so ensure you watch this video to the end. We got 43 message conversation here, and if you go further here, you will see that the cost per result is 322 Naira. Of course, you should expect high cost per result because it is a high ticket product. A product that worth 29.5 million is actually high ticket in Nigeria. Okay, then if we look at the ad spend here, look at the amount spent on the ad is 13,857 Naira. For impression, we have 7,747. This is the reach. So you see that analytics right there. Now let me show you the exact strategy I use to sell that car. Everything from beginning to the end. If you're ready, type "I'm ready" at the comment section below. Let's dive in. As usual, open your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. Click on this create button. Then select engagements. I use engagement here. Down below, you will see the continue button. Click on continue. Name your campaign as usual. Let me just name it as low budget. Copy the campaign name. Scroll down. For the purpose of this ad, I will be using ad budget strategy because I'll be setting just one creative. Okay, so after inputting ad set budget, you can uncheck this. I don't want to share the ad budget with other ad set because I'll be using just one ad set. Then scroll down. Down below, you will see next button. Click on next. At the ad set level here, edit this ad set name. You can paste the name you copied earlier. Then scroll down. For conversion location, I will be using message destination. Scroll down, select the Facebook page you want to use. Then I want to be using WhatsApp as my conversion location. So I will select the WhatsApp number. After selecting WhatsApp number, scroll down to performance goal. It has to be maximized number of conversations. Then scroll down to daily budget. For the daily budget, I am doing a low budget ad. I will use 5,000 Naira for this budget. Scroll down, you see schedule here. I want this ad to start 6 a.m. the next day. So I will set the date here and this is the time, right? So for 6 a.m., I'm going to be setting 6 right here and 00 for 6 a.m. right there. For end date, I will not set any end date because I will turn off the ad whenever I complete sales of this product. Scroll down, you see audience controls here. Scroll down and you will see locations. You are going to see use a saved audience. I already have an audience that I've set up. So I'll click on this drop down button right here and I will select the particular audience that I want to use. This is the audience name I want to use. So I've selected it. Now, if you don't know how to set proper audience that converts, I have a step-by-step video here that is going to teach you how to target the ideal audience. Now, this is the video, how to target the right audience, the right people that will buy your product or service. The link to this video will be at the description of this video. So after watching that one, go and watch this one, okay? After setting your audience, scroll down to placement. For placement here, I will be selecting both Facebook and Instagram. Go to Advantage Plus placement here. There's an edit button on the right hand side. Click on this edit button, scroll down to manual placement. Now you're expected to uncheck audience network and WhatsApp, right? I will leave it at Instagram and Facebook placement. Then scroll down below, you will see this next button here. Click on next. Now we are at the ad level. Give your ad a name. Just paste the name you copied earlier. Scroll down again. You will see ad setup here. Click on the drop down button. Depending on what you're selling, you can select create ad and upload the product or the image, photo or video. Okay, what I'm promoting is car, so I will use existing post. Okay, if you're using existing post, you have to make that post on your Facebook page before you come here to select use existing post. I don't want multi-advertiser ads, so uncheck this. Okay, then scroll down, you will see add creative right here. Scroll down, then select post because I'm using an existing post. Click on select post. Then I'll select the particular post I want to use. come down below, click on continue. Since I want my prospects to go to WhatsApp, I will click on this no button here to add a button. Select send WhatsApp message, update post. Scroll down, you will see chat builder right here. For some other accounts, you will see message template. Okay, anyone you see, they are the same thing, right? You will see the edit button right here. Click on this edit button to edit your message template or your chat builder. Okay, you will see the chat builder right here. Edit it here, and you will see the preview of how it will look like in your WhatsApp DM here. Okay, but I don't want to edit this one. I have already done some before, so I will click on saved template. So if you have used some before, you just go to save template here, and I am going to edit this one because I've been using it for several cars. This particular car is Toyota Camry, so I will edit this. I will just use Toyota Camry. For your welcome text, it's just a conversation starter. Like mine, I said, you are welcome. When can you come for inspection? Or do you want to make inquiries about the Toyota Camry XLE 2012? You see that now. Depending on what you're selling or promoting, the welcome message is just, or the greeting message is just a conversation starter. Okay, for call to action button, just leave it at none. Scroll down, you will see your pre-filled message here. This one is the one that the prospect will send to you, so you can edit it. Now I will edit this one. I'll change this car model because I'm selling another car. Okay, now I will go down here and check if there's anything I need to edit here. Now this is all right. Scroll down below, you will see the save button here. Click on save, and the message template will be saved here. Scroll down, you will see tracking. This will be done by Facebook. You don't need to do anything there. Down below at the right hand corner here, you will see the publish button here, and I will click publish right now to publish this ad. It's publishing 1 of 3, 2 of 3. Just wait for it to complete publishing. Okay, 3 of 3. You can see that the ad is processing right now. Within 24 hours, your ad will be approved and it will begin running. If you have any questions, just drop it at the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.